Rilum kaseng Rilum United Democratic Party UDP uba Kyrmen Shylla hakasing balang jong katayo ulong bakaseng kalapan kre banyakun yak election MDC banwan bat ki Paidbah kin ajing Kyrshan Pura yak UDP haki election MDC jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC bat ka Jaiñtia Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC.
Habayakiran bagla patai kubor uba Kyrmen Shylla ubalong ru menteri ke sorkar ulang bakumunong yalam udan ni kejing sengo scam jengbot bagi Paidbah Rilum Khasi Jaiñtia ken Kyrshan ni UDP hak election MDC ke Banuan. Bakasang UDP kelia cakmat ke benta bani airang ni election MDC. Uli itu bagi nong yalam jang keseng kila chong jingelang mon pinkre ek election bat syuap tangnya ke por ban penbenano ek kerteng jang kertong ke mani kon na keseng UDP ha Khasi Hills bat Jaiñtia Hills Autonomous District Council. Bat kumagalong mentak ladon bun ki kertong ke belapan tiket na keseng UDP. Uba Kyrmen Shylla ulong bahak election MDC ke balalet ke Paidbah iklai ke jing Kyrshan bat penjab ya bun ngut ki kertong ke UDP. Bat kumta mentaka kentiru udan ke jing Kyrmen bagin beteng ban ai ke jing Kyrshan bat ban penjab ya ki kertong ke UDP.
Actually, we have meeting after meetings from time to time within the party. So the party is moving ahead. So we are just waiting for the time to announce the candidate in all the district. So as of now, we have just that's we are moving, and then we start preparing ourselves. Especially the candidates, most of them they have request ask for the tickets. So it's just that when we finalize everything, then we'll come out with the names of the candidates. Actually, new entry of any most welcome for all the party, and they have the rights also. But we are here not to compete with anyone, but we are here to prove and to show to the people that we are concerned and we really care and we will serve to the people of our state by being here, not just to show that who's the best and just to play the blame game, but we are here to serve the people. Whatever they have given us, they give us 12 MLAs. We appreciate that. We wish for more, but we believe that if not 23, 28 maybe, hopefully the people will give us more seats so that we'll get a chance, to prove ourselves and then to give more justice and then serve better to the people of our state. But when it comes to MDC, we have no doubt. We have seen that the last election, they have given us good numbers in Khasi Hills and Jaiñtia Hills. And this time also we have high hopes. No doubt we have seen the MP election, the result, and that for us is a lesson. At the same time, we take it through that how we learn also, and we have prepared, and we believe that the people of those who have still high hope with the UDP, they will still be with us. We have introduced this fruit wine in our state. So since that time, the reason of introduce this fruit wines in our state is to support the farmer. We have seen whatever they produce like fruits and all. Most of the time, it's a waste. They cannot reach to the market, and the market is not of that high value. So most of it, we can say maybe 50% of the fruits gone in veins, become rotten and is of no use. Since the time we have started this fruit wines. So we have seen most of the comments from the farmers. They utilize the fruits which they produce, and it can convert into wines. So it's of huge benefit. And with this, number one, we are proud to say that our farmers get benefits. And second, with this with that benefits and with the fruits, we got to make a wine where we can start showcase our wine not only in Meghalaya. We have to showcase it beyond Meghalaya. So now we are trying even to showcase it beyond the country with a few not all the wines, but those selected wines which are comparable with the other wines of the country. So that is how we are trying to promote wines. So it's of great benefits. Let's not look only benefits when it comes to the revenue generation. Let us look benefits that how it gives the benefits to the farmers especially and to our local people. So that is our motive actually. Actually, we have seen almost every year, whenever we have this season, especially winter season, we have seen the sale of especially liquor come high. So this time also we expect with this different festivals in our state. So this will increase the revenue generation also when it comes to liquor. So it's of no doubt that will be high. As of now, I don't know how much, we cannot say, but we expect that it will help, it will bring benefits, and it will be easy for us to have this tracking system. Everything will be in our fingertips. We'll have a dashboard where we can monitor each and every movement of our consignment. That is our expectation, and we do believe that if there is any leakage, that will stop it.
What is the additional revenue generation by introduction of this new system?
That we cannot say right now, because from time to time we have been increased the revenue generation almost in every year. So by doing that, we expect that it will bring a lot more. So that is our expectation. So as of now, we have high hopes that this will bring lots of change. So until unless it's implemented, I cannot say what is exactly. So